Greetings all. This video is to show you how to make a photo of your signature to put into documents by using a Mac. So the first thing you want to do is take a picture of your signature. So what you'll do is write your signature on a blank white piece of paper. Make sure to use something like a fine point Sharpie or a felt tip pen, as that often makes a wider signature so that it's easier for the picture to be taken of it. You can see I've done that here, and I've opened up the file in the preview on Mac. You can edit it in this preview. The first thing you're going to want to do is make sure that your signature is on landscape. So up here in the top right, you'll see there's this square box that says, with a little arrow that says rotate left. So I'm going to rotate my signature to the left. So now it is the correct side up. The next thing you're going to want to do is you are going to want to edit, because you'll notice the background is not perfectly white. And so what we can do is we press this markup toolbar button, and when I pressed it before, it showed the toolbar. Now I hit it, now I show it again. This toolbar is what you're going to use. The first thing you want to do is you're going to want to crop your signature. So you want to make that file as small as possible. So you just click anywhere on the picture and click and hold, and then you're going to drag the box to the edges of your signature. Make sure not to cut off any part. Once you do that, this little thing right here that says crop will pop up. Sometimes it'll pop up over on this side as well. But you click that and it'll get rid of all the excess picture. The next thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to change that background so it is more white. And that's this little thing right here that says adjust color. So click on that and you'll see this pop-up come up. And the two things we're going to mess with are the exposure and the contrast. So this little scroll bar, we can move left. You'll notice that the picture gets darker, darker, darker. If we move it to the right, it gets lighter. So what you want to do is move it to the right so that the background is nice and white. Then you'll notice that your actual signature has faded a little bit, and so you can use the next scroll down and move it to the left, and you'll see your writing actually disappears. If you move it all the way to the right, it's very dark. That's pretty much how you want your signature to look. And so at this point now, you can close that. You can go up to File and Save, and your signature will now be saved as a JPEG, and you can use that in future documents.